Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this minimalistic floating TV shelf with ambient lighting. So if you'd like to know how to make this, then keep watching. So I went to my DIY store and found this finished wood, which was the perfect size for only £14. Next, I placed these shelf brackets I got from Amazon against the wall to mark where I wanted them and to know where I'll be drilling. And when buying these brackets, make sure they can hold the weight of the shelf you're using, plus the weight of the things that will go on the shelf. So the brackets I have held up to 30 kg, which was well over the weight I needed. So when drilling, I started with a smaller drill bit and worked my way to a bigger drill bit, which I think made it easier to drill exactly on the marked holes. And before drilling, I also recommend double checking that the markings are correct and that both are the exact same distance from the floor, because the worst thing would be to drill all these holes and realize the shelf is wonky. So this is how it was looking, and I also screwed pointy screws at the bottom of the shelf to secure them into the bracket. So the next thing to do was hide the wires, and this was a bit techie. So before doing this, work out where your wires will need to pass through and make sure it's actually feasible. Mine only had to pass through a very short distance, but before making the large hole, I drilled a tiny one behind the TV and another one behind the TV box. And I used an old iPhone charger to check that there was space for this and make sure there were no crucial wires or anything behind the TV. You could also check with a stud finder, but I knew the space was hollow, so I was confident nothing major was behind the wall. And now that I know there's space behind the wall, I can make the hole bigger for all the wires to go through. Now, a very important thing you have to check before doing this is that your wires can either be disconnected from the plugs or the plugs can fit through the space. One of my plugs actually couldn't fit through the space behind the wall, and I also couldn't disconnect it from the TV, so we actually had to cut this wire and replace the plug once the wire was in the wall. So do be sure that all your wires and plugs can actually fit through first. And these holes were sized to fit these plastic covers I got from Amazon, which I put in the holes to cover them. So this is how it was looking, and these covers also came with caps, which covered most of the hole up nicely. And the last thing to do was add the ambient lighting. So I used these LED lights that had adhesive strips that I got from Amazon, and I added these lights to both the TV and the TV shelf. And that's it, guys. This was a really easy project and was a very simple way to give your living room a bit more of a modern and sleek look. I'll leave a link to everything in the description box below, but aside from that, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.